This morning, someone I've never met sent $47 to my bank account. They bought a product I recommended 6 months ago in a blog post I barely remember writing. This isn't luck. This is what affiliate marketing actually looks like when you strip away all the hype and fake screenshots. Most people teaching affiliate marketing are selling you courses, not making money from actual affiliate commissions. After 8 months of doing this for real, I'm going to show you 5 truths nobody talks about. Want to know what actually works versus what's just marketing noise? Let's get into the reality of it. Truth number 1, you don't need a huge audience to make money. The biggest lie about affiliate marketing is that you need thousands of followers or millions of views to earn anything. That's just not true anymore. My friend Jake runs a small blog about camping gear. He gets maybe 300 visitors a day, not thousands, just 300. But here's what matters. Those people are specifically looking for camping tent reviews or hiking backpack recommendations. When Jake recommends a product and puts his affiliate link, people actually buy it because they came there looking for that exact information. Last month, he made $680 from affiliate commissions. Not life-changing money, but that's $680 from 300 daily visitors. Some of these big influencers with hundreds of thousands of followers make less because their audience isn't looking to buy anything. They're just scrolling for entertainment. The real secret is targeting. You don't need everyone. You need the right people who are actually ready to buy something. A small audience of people searching for product recommendations is worth more than a huge audience of random scrollers. This also means you can start making money way faster than you think. You don't need to wait until you have 10,000 followers. Some people make their first affiliate commission with just 100 engaged followers or a blog that gets 50 visitors a day. It's all about having the right audience, not the biggest audience. Truth number 2, most affiliate programs pay way less than you think. When people talk about affiliate marketing, they love showing Amazon Associates because it's easy to join. But here's what they don't tell you. Amazon pays 1 to 4% commission on most products. That's tiny. Let me show you what this actually means. Someone clicks your link and buys a $50 item on Amazon. You get maybe $2. To make $100, you'd need 50 people to buy that product. To make $1,000, you'd need 500 sales. That's a lot of sales for small money. Now compare that to other affiliate programs. Software companies often pay 30 to 50% recurring commissions. Digital product creators pay 30 to 70%. Some services pay flat rates like $50 or $100 per sign-up. I promote a project management tool on my blog. Every time someone signs up for their paid plan using my link, I get $30. Just one sale equals 15 Amazon sales. Last month, I had 8 people sign up. That's $240 from 8 conversions instead of needing 100 conversions on Amazon. The lesson here is to be strategic about what you promote. Don't just promote everything on Amazon because it's convenient. Look for higher paying programs in your niche: software, courses, services, subscriptions. These pay way better than physical products. Also, recurring commissions are gold. If someone signs up for a software subscription and pays $20 a month, and you get 30%. You earn $6 every single month as long as they stay subscribed. One sale keeps paying you over and over. Truth number 3, content that makes money takes time to build. This is the part nobody wants to hear, but it's the most important truth. You're not going to make money in your first week or even your first month. Affiliate marketing is a long game. When I started my blog about budget tech gadgets, I wrote 10 articles in my first month. I was so excited. I checked my earnings every day. After 30 days, I had made $0, not a single sale. I almost quit, but I kept going. I wrote more articles. I learned about SEO so people could actually find my content on Google. I joined relevant Facebook groups and shared helpful posts with my links when appropriate. By month 3, I made my first $20. By month 5, I was making around $150 a month. By month 8, over $400. The reason it takes time is because you're building trust and authority. When someone finds your content, they don't immediately buy. They read a few articles. They see that you actually know what you're talking about. They come back. Then maybe they click your link and make a purchase. Also, if you're blogging or making YouTube videos, it takes time for Google to start showing your content to people. New blogs and channels don't rank high in search results right away. You need to prove to Google that your content is valuable, and that takes 3 to 6 months of consistent posting. This is why most people fail at affiliate marketing. They expect results in 2 weeks. When they don't see money, they quit. The people making real money are the ones who kept going when it felt like nothing was working. Truth number 4, promoting trash products will kill your reputation fast. Here's something I learned the hard way. Just because a product has an affiliate program doesn't mean you should promote it. In my second month, I promoted a cheap phone accessory just because it had a decent commission rate. I wrote a whole article about it. People bought it. Then I started getting messages. The product was terrible. It broke after a week. People felt like I tricked them. That hurt my reputation. Some people stopped trusting my recommendations. I had to remove that article and write an apology post. It taught me a huge lesson. Only promote things you actually believe in or have used yourself. Now I have a simple rule. I don't promote anything I haven't personally used or thoroughly researched. If I recommend a laptop, I've either owned it or I've read tons of real user reviews and expert opinions. If I promote a service, I've actually tried it myself. This approach makes way less money in the short term because I'm turning down lots of affiliate opportunities. But it makes more money long term because people trust my recommendations. When I say something is good, they believe me and they buy. The best affiliate marketers are the ones who see themselves as helpful guides, not salespeople. Your job is to genuinely help people make good buying decisions. If you do that, the money follows naturally. If you just try to sell anything for a quick commission, people see through it and you lose their trust forever. Truth number 5. You need a real strategy, not just random links everywhere. The worst way to do affiliate marketing is just throwing links everywhere and hoping someone clicks. That doesn't work. You need an actual strategy. Here's what actually works in 2025. You pick a specific niche, not just tech, not just fitness. Something specific like budget gaming laptops for students, or home workout equipment for small apartments, or skincare for sensitive skin. The more specific, the better. Then you create genuinely helpful content around that niche. Reviews, comparisons, guides, tutorials. Content that actually answers questions people are searching for. You naturally include affiliate links in that content where they make sense. You also build an email list. When someone visits your blog or finds your content, you offer them something valuable for free in exchange for their email, maybe a buying guide or a checklist. Then you email them helpful content once or twice a week with relevant product recommendations. My email list has only 380 people on it, but those people signed up because they want my recommendations. When I email them about a product, 30 to 50 people actually open the email and some of them buy. That's way more effective than posting on social media where only 5% of your followers even see your post. Another strategy that works is creating comparison content. People searching for product A versus product B are ready to buy. They just need help deciding. If you create solid comparison articles or videos, you catch people right when they're about to make a purchase decision. The key is being strategic and patient. Most people quit after 2 months because they don't see fast results. But the ones who stick with it for 6 months, a year, 2 years, those are the people making real money. Some are making $500 a month. Some are making $2,000. Some turned it into a full-time income. But they all started exactly where you are right now. If this gave you a realistic picture of what affiliate marketing actually looks like, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more honest content about making money online without the hype. Tell me in the comments if you're going to try affiliate marketing or if you have questions. I actually respond to comments because I want to help you succeed.